treat the best reflection, but I'll take nothing so far. Not to keep it up as long as it takes. It don't matter who you are. If I'm doing my job, it's yours all that makes. Because the heart brings you back. I ain't telling you no lie. The heart brings you back. On that you can rely. Very soon things I am being insincere. In fact, I don't mean any of this. Still, my confession draws you near to confuse the issue all in fun. Familiar heroes from long ago. No matter how much we are when they depend, refuse to grow. Was that the heart brings you back? I ain't telling you no lie. The heart brings you back. Oh, that you can rely. Suck it in, nigger into dinner in Berlin. Make it a spin or else you'll win. And then begin to see what you're doing to me. This MTV is not for free. It's OPC is killing me. So desperately I sing to the other love. Shut up, so raging, tainted fear itself. And I can't keep these feelings on the shelf. I've tried, but no that I lied. Make me afraid to suicide. That I got too much pride inside your hide or side. I'll do it on the side and let it ride until I die. And only then shall I find this right and catch a little tunes. My faith in the ditties. All of us know your illusions. I wanna burn all of your scenes. I found never miserable in this I play. And hey, I will go one day hear what I say. I'm prepared.